Managing your ATM operations doesn't have to be complicated. With Cronysoft, you can track transactions, monitor cash flow, and reconcile everything in one place. Hi, and today in this video, we're going to walk you through understanding ATM dashboards, reconciling transactions, and setting up a new ATM step by step. Let's begin, shall we? Okay, let's start with the ATM dashboard. Here, you get a complete overview of your ATM's performance. At the top, you'll see all your ATMs listed along with their status, limits, fees, and running balance. Below that, you'll find key metrics like total ATMs, total transactions, total loads, withdrawal, fees, and total rejected transaction. This section helps you understand quickly how your ATM is performing. Further down, you'll also see charts like transaction overview and fee profit. These give you insights into daily activity and profitability. Next, let's take a look at reconciliation. Click on the reconciliation button, then click Add. From here, select the ATM from the dropdown, and this will load all the transaction details related to that ATM, helping you match your actual cash with system records. This process ensures accuracy and helps you identify any discrepancies quickly. Now let's move on to adding a new ATM. Click on Add to begin. First, select the ATM type, either fully owned, partially managed, or third-party managed. Next, enter the transaction limit. If you want your ATM to be charging fees, toggle on the ATM with fee and enter the fee amount. Then select the denominations. This refers to the type of bills loaded into the machine, such as $1, $5, $10, or $20. After that, select your bank and vendor. If you don't have a vendor yet, you can easily create one by clicking Add Vendor and entering the name like ATM and simply saving it. Finally, add an ATM description. For example, you could use something like Powered by Bank of America or any identifier that helps you recognize the machine. Once everything is filled out, click Save. After the ATM has been created, you can click into it to view more details. Over here, you'll find ATM Overview, Performance Metrics, Transaction History, and Vendor Details. This gives you a deeper breakdown of how each ATM is performing. And that is it. That's pretty simple, right? You've now successfully learned how to navigate the ATM dashboard, reconcile transactions, and set up a new ATM in Cronysoft. With this setup, you can easily track performance, manage cash flow, and stay in control of your ATM operations. And that's all for the ATM setup. I'll see you guys in the next one.